I get asked like every single day how I do my everyday like smudgy smoky eyeliner, so here you go. This is how I do it. My entire eye look, including my shadow, is always with the Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette. I use the shit out of this thing. Okay, for my liner, I use this tiny little baby, it's like so thin, this little angled brush. It's the brand BK Beauty in the number 208. So I use this little dark brown shade and I just etch out a wing. Maybe I'll put it on time lapse so you guys can see like the whole thing. And the thing with shadow is that it doesn't need to be like super precise like a liquid liner. Oh shit. So if you are not good with liner, I recommend doing this. I'm so bad at doing this on camera. Hold on. Okay, this is my favorite thing to do, and it's my little inner corner baby wing. So I take the same brush, same product, and I go literally in my tear duct, okay? Because I want it to be right where my tear duct is. And I just create a tiny little line and like connect it to my lower lash line. Like that, and then I just fiddle with it until it's how I like it. Like that. Okay, then I smudge it out, and this is what I meant by it doesn't need to be perfect because you're literally just going to smudge it anyways, and I feel like this is just so foolproof. So I smudge, smudge, smudge to make it look smoky. Okay, then I take whatever's left on the brush and I just go on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I just like to clean it up a little, and I like to retrace the liner again with the shadow. I just feel like this makes it look like super like faded and blended and like extra smoky. I don't know. Okay, then just on the like outer corners of the wing, like the actual just wing, I take this Too Faced killer liner in black and I just kind of smudge it on there too. I just want everything to look super like smoky, faded, blended out, smudgy. I don't know. I love this eyeliner look. I've been wearing it like every day. Then I take the same liner and I like to do my waterline. Okay, that's really it. I'm gonna do the other eye, put on some mascara, and I'll be right back. And there you go. That is how I do my everyday smoky eyeliner.